everybody, it's Mrs. Sonnenberg and Benny. We're back for another week of music, and we're starting with our hello song, Aloha. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say hello.
It's upside down.
I saw you. Today we're going to be using Spanish hola, French bonjour, and German guten tag for our first time through. Some say hola, hola. Some say bonjour, bonjour. Some say guten tag, guten tag. How do you say hello? Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say hello. This time we're going to be using our konnichiwa, ni hao, and ciao. Some say konnichiwa, konnichiwa, Ben. Some say ni hao, buddy, ni hao. Some say ciao, ciao. How do you